Hey man, you ready to make some beats, but you ain't got no beat making skills? It's cool. You don't need no music theory to get down with this one. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wayne.wav, and you better know by now that this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster. So I ain't gonna even ask you to do nothing. But if by the end of this video you so happen to like what you seen or learn something, hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend. That's all. That's all I need from you. So in this video, we are gonna be making some beats, but in a real easy, quick kind of way. You feel me? Because, you know, I like to do things better and faster. And, you know, my beat making skills, my piano playing chord progression skills ain't all the way at the tippity top, but I got some help from my boy Niko. All right. Niko at pianoforproducers.com has come up with a Midi chord pack that's going to help you to start making better beats faster, man. You really just got to drag and drop these Midi chords into whatever DAW you're using with whatever sounds or virtual instruments that you choose, and you can start making some of this fire, man. So check out the Midi pack at pianoforproducers.com. That's what I'm about to be using to show y'all a little bit of something on how I'm gonna make this beat, man. I'm gonna be using Pro Tools, but again, you can use any DAW that you want to. Hey man, Wavy Wayne and Piano for Producers has teamed up to give away $3,500 in cash and prizes. One first place winner will receive $500 in cash, all of Niko's Midi packs, all of Niko's courses, and all that's over $2,000 in value. One second place winner will receive over $1,000 worth of Niko's premium Midi packs. And just for entering, everybody's gonna be a winner. You'll get a free Midi pack to download as soon as you enter the giveaway. All the rest of the details are down in the description below. I can't wait to hear what you got. All right, y'all, so here is my Pro Tools session. I have a basic session set up right now that I ain't really got nothing going on with. But what I'm gonna do is start off with a chord pack, some chords, some melodies from Niko's pack, man. So I don't really know where we're gonna go. Let me just go ahead and open up this folder that I downloaded from my man's Niko, all right? When you download Niko's Midi pack, you're gonna get each one of these folders that are separated into the key that the chords and the melodies are in, man. You also get this guide that's pretty helpful as well. I think so, man. You get Niko's top 20 chord progressions. These are my favorite chord progressions in the Midi pack. Use them for an awesome effect. You get genre and emotion progressions and rest of pack progression breakdowns. We break down additional progressions in the bonus section of the pack, all right? So basically, these Niko's favorite 20 chord progressions right here, right? And then it breaks you down what every single chord progression is in each category, so that you ain't got to worry about reading notes or nothing like that, man. You ain't got to read that if you don't want to, man. We can keep it real simple. So I'm gonna go over to C major, A minor packs, right? And you see I had already been going through best melodies. I think that's probably where I'm gonna go with, because I want best melodies, man. You got best chords, more melodies, and then some bonuses. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to best melodies. And for this one, I know y'all like that hip hop, that trap. We're gonna go to the dark hip hop trap. And let's just go ahead and pick the very first melody that there is, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop this in. You got the tempo that's suggested for this particular melody, but again, this is all Midi data. You can choose any tempo you want to. You can speed this up, you can slow it down, you can get funky with it however you want to. So I just dropped it right onto this instrument track that I have, and I have the Expand virtual instrument. This is a stock plugin in Pro Tools, which is actually really dope. So if you don't use this Expand when you're making beats in Pro Tools, definitely look into that one, because this is a dope one, man. But I loaded up a sound. This is like some analog chimes, and on the track here I have the Midi melody that I just imported in. So let's just go ahead and listen to what this sounds like by itself first, and then we can add some more funk to it. That sounds pretty tight, man. I can already hear some 808s and some drums going right on top of that, and then it pretty much being a beat already ready to go. So far, all I did was drag and drop the melody into this joint. So now I got this other track here that I have structure free, another stock plug-in virtual instrument in Pro Tools, and I'm using a stock sound, the stock 80s electronic kick, and they got a little 808. Not the best 808 sound, you know what I'm saying, in my opinion, but you know what? We gonna spice that thing up. I'm gonna actually go ahead and add some lo-fi to that. We're gonna distort that 808 a little bit. You see how that thing sound better already? All right, bet. I like how that 808 is definitely sounding better, man. So you can take some stock sounds and make it sound even better. Now, I'm going to just practice a melody real quick, a cadence with the 808, see what I want to play with it, and then I'm going to record it in. Let's listen. Super simple, right? I know. You can do better. That's why you need to enter the beat contest that we doing and giving away some Brizzed with this chord pack. So let me go ahead and actually do a couple of things before I start recording. First, I'm going to go ahead and create a click track. Go to track menu, hit create click track. That's going to help me to stay on time. And then I'm also going to activate the input quantize feature. So I'm going to go up to the event menu, event operations, input quantize. What this is going to do is automatically quantize the notes as I am playing them in. That way, y'all don't get to hear how sloppy my timing is. So we're going to do that. Enable input quantize for the note on and the note off in this case. And 16th note grid, that should be good enough. All right. So here we go. Let's actually turn the count off on and start recording. All right, cool. So I'm going to keep that like that. And then I'm going to actually just go ahead and duplicate that little clip over to the next half of this performance. And let's see what we got. Yeah, okay, you get the point. You get the point, man. So I got a little problem here that I need to edit. So I'm gonna actually double click there and open up this window here where I can see this 808 tracks. I think somehow I might have, yeah, you see I have hit the other key there, but it's cool. So now that that's deleted, we can clean that up. And then let's just duplicate this same 808 track. I want to keep the same virtual instrument on there, maybe turn the lo-fi off for now at least. And let's see what other, oh, you know what? I ain't got to switch nothing in there. I'm going to keep the same kit. It's a kit. I think I kind of like that. So let's go with that snare. Here we go. Okay. We get a little spice right there. You know what I'm talking about? A little spice life. We messed up a couple of notes. It's cool. We're gonna clean those up. Let's hear what we got though. Cool. I'm happy with that, man. And now we can go ahead and add in some high hizzies, because you know you can't have a hip hop beat without some high hizzats. All right, and we're gonna name these too so that we can be correct. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make some hi-hats. I think this might sound tight, distorting it. All right, cool. I think I like that. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna turn my count off, so we don't need to even start from the beginning. Here we go. Oh man, okay, bet. And so you know what? I'm gonna go up to my event menu, event operations. We're gonna quantize this to 30-second note, just because I played a little bit of faster notes on there. And then we're gonna do the same thing here actually. Option O, and then let's go ahead and get everything nice and quantized. Let's hear that down. All right, this one this one note here I don't like. Yeah, that one gotta go. That little snare hit. Bet. And then of course I can change the sound of this bells, this instrument that we use the MIDI chords for. I can change this at any given time, man. So it don't have to be that sound that we have it now. Let's try something different, man. Let's try. A little darker vibe. I think I actually like that sound a little bit better, man. That's the beauty of working with MIDI and working with MIDI chords, is that you don't have to cap your creativity. The options are pretty much endless, and you can always change stuff, swap stuff out, and just keep getting more and more creative as your production grows. All right. I'm Wavy Wayne from wavywayne.com. Make sure you check out the description to find out all the details about the giveaway that we're doing and the beat contest where you can win some real cash. All right. Also, check out Niko's MIDI chord pack. I'll leave the link right down in the description to make it easy for you. Till next time, y'all be dope.